Friends, welcome back to my online lecture. I am Anil Sadashiv Sanai from Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samant Vidyalaya Nehru Nagar Kurla. Today is Saturday. Today's date is 2nd October 2021, Standard 4th, Subject EVS 1, and today's topic is the value of food exercise. First one questions. Where big round amlas come from? Big round amlas come from northeast region, or we get amla from the forest. What is the place called where salt is obtained from seawater? Which is the question second? What is the place called where salt is obtained from सी वाटर मतलब जहाँ नमक तैयार करते हैं वो जगह को क्या बोलते हैं? इट्स कॉल्ड अ सॉल्ट पैन. व्हाट इज कॉल्ड? अ सॉल्ट पैन. और अ बासिन और बेसिन और द क्रीक क्या बोलते हैं? खाड़ी के जगह पास वाली जगह रहती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सॉल्ट पैन. व्हाट इज कॉल्ड? सॉल्ट पैन. Potatoes and radishes grow underground. Which other bulbs and roots do we get from plants? Tubers and roots which we get plants. Tuber means जो जमीन के नीचे अंडरग्राउंड रहते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? जैसे एज लाइक पोटैटो, ओनियंस, इट्स कॉल्ड ट्यूबर्स. ट्यूबर्स एंड रूट्स कंद, इसको मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं? कंद. एंड रूट्स मीन्स मूली. Tubers and roots which we get plants. Tubers and roots which we get plants. Bulb plants, onion, garlic, lily. Roots plants, beetroot, carrot. Next one, third one, fourth one question. What is a kangi? For what purpose do farmer use it? Kangi is home of farmer use of for storing grains. What is called? Kangi is home of farmer use of for storing grains. Next, for what does a farmer use an implement called a tiphan? You know that Marathi song काया मातीत मातीत तिफन चालती means तिफन means what? A तिफन is type 3 bladed seeds drill which is used to sow seeds. जब भी आपको सोइंग करना रहता है तो हम हाथ से करते हैं, लेकिन तिफन से क्या करते हैं? ड्रिल करके वो सीड्स बोते हैं. A tiffin is type 3 bladed seed drills. What's called? 3 bladed seed drills which is used to sow seeds by cutting a furrow, placing the seeds and covering it up to a desired depth. Which ingredients are required for making a lemon शरबत? Which ingredients मतलब घटक are required for making a lemon शरबत? आपको लेमन शरबत करना है तो आपको कौन से पदार्थ चाहिए? ingredients मतलब पदार्थ. From where are ingredients obtained? वो आपको कहाँ से मिलते हैं? For example, we make शरबत, so which lemon juice, sugar and salt. Which ingredients we want? Lemon juice, sugar and salt. Where from we get lemon juice? From lemon. We get sugar cane. We get sugar from sugar cane. Lemon juice from lemon and salt from salt pan. So we get sugar cane and lemon from the farm. Where's from? Farm. And we get salt from the salt pan. All of you understood? Next, fill in the blanks. When the soil becomes hot and ... the crop is sown. देखो जब भी प्री मानसून आता है तो बाद में फार्मर लोग क्या करते हैं, प्लाउइंग मतलब नांगरनी करते, तो कभी कभी उससे क्या होता है, ज़मीन क्या होते हैं, हॉट ज़मीन हमीर होती है, मतलब उबदार होते हैं, बोने के लिए लायक रहती है, उसको बोलते हैं हमीर। When the soil becomes hot and humid, the crops is sown. The grains separated from the ears by a process called the grain is separated from the ears by a process called threshing. What is called threshing? What is called threshing? The grain is separated from the ears by a process called threshing. The light ... are blown away by the winds. What's called shells? Groundnut shells are like a light. When you winnowing, the light shells are blown away the wind. Shells शेंगदाण्याची टरफलं. शेल्स म्हणजे काय, शेंगदाण्याची टरफलं. The light shells are blown away by the wind. वो लाइट रहते इसलिए निकल जाते. Some people gather ... like करवंदा and jamun from the forest. What? Like करवंदा and jamun from the forest. Some people gathered ... like like karwanda and jamun from the forest. What they collect? Fruits. Some people gathered fruits like karwanda and jamun from the forest. Machines and vehicles are used for the production and transport of foodstuffs. Money is spent on labor to operate them. Once again listen. Machines and vehicles are used for the production and transport of foodstuffs. Money is spent on labor to operate them. Why should we not waste food? Answer. We should not waste the food because the efforts and labor of many other people are also required for storing, transporting and marketing them, as well as preparing the various dishes we eat. All these processes are expensive. Therefore, take care that food is not wasted. 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 Question number 9. Match the following. A groups salt, sugarcane, bore, makna. B groups a freshwater lake, the sea, field and forest. Which is correct answer? We get salt from the sea. Sugarcane we get from the field. Bore we get from the forest and makna get from the freshwater lake. All of you understood? Thanks for watching.